How to add product tabs in Shopify. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So I over here have my product. If I go to the description, I have a bunch of, different tabs, which I would like to have on my store. So here are the description, key features, and everything like that. Now, if I preview this, we can see that it's here all up in your face. It is pretty long too. So I'm going to add tabs for that. And what I'm going to do is click on home and then to add apps. I'm going to go to the Shopify App Store. And what I'm going to search for is tabs. That's pretty much it. And here we have an app, which is actually really good. So I'm going to click on this. Then we're going to click on install. Here you need to click on install again. Now this app is free, as we can see here. So we have unlimited product tabs and we have one shared tab. Now I'll get to that later, why this is actually really important. And here you can see the monthly and yearly subscription as well. And if you, this is the first thing you will get as well, which like I said, it is actually free, but there's actually one thing which could be pretty important. So here we can actually set up product tabs, create share tabs, and customize our tabs and everything. But before we get actually into that, we need to enable the app extension. So if you click on this, this will bring you over to your customization of your online store. And what we need to do is simply here on the left, this has to be enabled. If this isn't enabled, then it will not work. So make sure that this is actually enabled and then save your store. Now we can go back to this. I'm going to refresh because now this message should be gone. It is not, but we have enabled it anyway. So I'm going to remove it just like that. So here we can set up product tabs and create shared tabs. Now create custom share tabs for multiple product pages. So these share tabs are actually really good for example, shipping policies or return policies that need to be the same for every single product. So here we can add a shared tab, which will be shown on every product. So here we can select the tab type. So rich text, HTML, or review app. I'm going to leave it on this. And here we can name it. So I'm going to call this shipping, just like that, as you can see. Then I went ahead and just generated a quick bit of information on ChatGPT. You should probably, actually get your shipping policies in here. But I went ahead and just did this real quick. If you need Shopify, but you're not sure yet, or you're already enjoying Shopify, or you know somebody that needs Shopify, what you can do is bring your ideas to life for €1 per month. So what you can do is go to the link in the description or the pinned comment under this YouTube video and sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for €1. So grab the deal now before it is gone, and yeah, good luck with your store. As you can see, I have now added the text. So here we can see applies to all products or specific products. So you can, for example, select collections, and then you can browse collections and you can select a specific collection where this tab needs to be, or you can just leave it on all products. In this case, since the shipping information, I'm going to obviously leave that for every single product. So here we can also add exceptions. So we can add it to, for example, all products except this one product, which is also pretty nice. And here we can see the share tab status. Currently, it is a draft, and I'm going to leave it on active. Then I'm going to click on save. And we have currently added a shared tab. Now, as you can see, this is the shipping tab, and I'm going to go to product tabs right now. And here it says, enhance your product description with our new AI tool. So you can generate product descriptions if you would like to. But what this pretty much does is automatically creates tabs directly from the product description. So if I, for example, go to my product real quick, what I can do is set it up like this, that all of these, for example, these texts will be recognized to automatically create tabs. So here we can see each heading 5 will start a new tab. Well, you can change this to whatever you would like to actually. And the H5 is the size of the heading. So what I can do is, for example, hit enter. To set this up right real quick. I'm going to make this the heading 5, and now it will recognize the heading and will automatically create a tab. So I'm going to do that real quick for all of them. So I just did that real quick for every single thing. So what I'm going to do now is go back, and then I'm going to go back to the settings here. So default tab title. Here it says if no default tab title is set and description does not start with a heading 5, description word will be used for the first tab. So you can activate it or inactive, and then include first tab in tabs block. That's something you can also keep if you would like that. And then here we can go to design. This is pretty much the last thing which we can do. So here we can design it how it will look like. So this is the default way it will look like. I think I would like this the most. This is pretty much how it will look like. Here's a preview of how it will look like. So I think I'm gonna go actually with this one. This looks good. So you can do responsive, like you can pretty much edit everything you would like to, even the colors, typography, borders, stuff like that. But that's something you can go over yourself, but I'm going to leave it like this. So now I'm going to go to my product again. I'm going to click on preview, and there we go. So and there we go. We can now see the description. The first one will always be automatically open. And then we can see the key features here. Then the ideal for, while you'll love it, size guide. And then this is the shipping. This was shared, a shared one, which will be here for every single product I have on my store. So yeah, that's how to add product tabs in Shopify.